What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. So I was able to go to Tractor Supply this morning and get a new spray gun. All the high velocity, low pressure guns were super expensive. So I went with this gravity fed gun. We'll see how it works. I've never used one before. So what we have is, this is the spray gun I'm going to use. There's another gauge regulator with a air dryer on it, or you don't want moisture in your paint when you're spraying. I have some reducer, some hardener, paint thinner for cleanup, and then this is the paint that I'm going to use. Tractor Supply has an implement paint. I was going to go with it, but some of the reviews for the color I said that it was coming out tan, so I wanted gray, so we'll go with this. It's a little lighter than I think that I want, but we'll give it a shot. We're going to go ahead and mix up some paint and try to get this sprayed on here. So I think I did my math right for my reduction, so let's go ahead and mix them up. So, painting sucks and I'm not good at it, but I mean, we have some okay coverage on here. I think when I initially was spraying it, it was way too thick, too much flow. So, we're gonna have to see how long it takes to dry, but I mean, I have a decent amount covered. There's some runs and stuff, but I'm gonna try to finish up these boom arms and then probably lower them down. I gotta get up here and up here, and then I'll probably let it sit for a few hours and then lower it down and then finish the rest of the cab and look for any touch-up spots. So So this is my first time using this kind of spray gun. I've used a spray gun before, but it was just for something little. I've never painted anything this big with a spray gun. So we'll see how it comes out. So I think I'm gonna leave this safety support red. I just got some rattle can for that. So we'll go ahead and paint this up while we wait for this to dry. I think I'm gonna do the hood black. I'm not sure. The pieces of metal that go in here are black, but I might do the hood black. Not sure yet. But I need to lift the cab to paint under there just a little bit. I mean, I don't have to, but I want to. The only thing is I took the shocks off. One of them was blown anyway, and I took the good one off, and so now the cab's super heavy to lift. But I'll figure out how to get that lifted, and then there's just a few other places that I need to touch up. All in here was really hard to get. I might have to, I'm not sure how I'm gonna get in there anymore. I don't know. We'll figure it out. The other thing that I did was paint this exhaust tip. I just used this barbecue paint, so it dries to a matte black. Should be fine. Alright guys, so I'm pretty much done with the paint. All this is black, gray, painted that black. So all the paint's basically done. Maybe a little bit of touch up with a spray can. I did buy a spray can of the same color. So this is what I've been touching up all the little spots that I didn't get with the gun. So I have the decals. I ordered them in black. I ordered the decals off eBay. They were like 50 bucks for all of them. I ordered them all in black. So let's go ahead and get these put on. So I got all these on. Almost done with the project here. I ordered a few parts from Global Machinery. I just needed a new cab shock and a couple decals and auxiliary switch. So if you need any parts for your equipment, Takeuchi in particular, Global Machinery is a great place. I'll leave a link in the description below. All right, so got everything all finished up. All right, guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. I have a bunch more projects going on. I'm going to be doing a couple more things to this probably later this week. Thanks for tuning in.